8:30. Roof is on. We gotta get all this shit, all that insulation and stuff like that on the walls and up top. And then cutting into this wall, taking that window out, cutting that down to go all the way through the other side. And you guys seen the other side. Like the dog bath. That's all insulated. That's all insulated behind that particle board. It's all insulated behind this particle board. We had to put this wall up first to run the electricity and the water in here to have the bucket to mount to, put up the breaker box. Took the water and electricity, ran it underneath the ground, around and up back into the house. So coming along. Kennel should be done in about 2 weeks. Putting the heating and air conditioning in there after that. And then we can move all of them over. And this will be a dedicated birthing pen after we take all the dogs out of here. And then all 5 pockets are gonna get their own cages. 1, 2, 3. That's an extra. That's a big old boy cage. 4, 5. We're gonna install that wall fan inside the new kennel. And that white fan's going inside the new kennel as well. 1 on each side. Matching wall fans. I think we're gonna do a mini split system. It's coming along. This will all be wide open. And we're gonna take that window out right there and put a door there. Oh, we might leave that window and leave that window, and then I don't know, we'll see. We'll see. Put a door next to it. New hole, huh? Jesus, guys. Everybody tired because the lights came on. It looks light out, but it's really dark. Because those are solar lights. They only come on when it's dark out. And if those are on, then it's dark. I guess this phone automatically brightens stuff up. And again, guys, I really appreciate and love the support that everybody's been giving me and the dogs. And I appreciate everything. And if you want to show your support, hit that like button. And also hit that subscribe button. And all my new content, I post new videos weekly, sometimes daily. You'll be the first to get my new videos.